Hey, Traders. Welcome to the 3rd anniversary of this channel's, I don't know, like the first stream I ever did was 3 years ago today, right? When I had broken away from one channel, someone, and started my own thing. This was it, dude. So, thanks for Wayne Batson making that graphic. It would have been wonderful. I could have done a spaceship stream, but dude, green screen got lost. Literally, it's never even happened before, but the green screen was lost in the mail. So I don't have it and I can't do it. So thanks for being here. Bitcoin up almost 5% today, up over $2,000. Altcoins following behind. It wasn't just crypto, Chad. It was everything. Energy highest level since like October or November of last year or something, or one of the largest moves we'd seen. And then you got gold and silver pumping, equities pumping, S&P, NASDAQ all-time highs, highest weekly candle closes of all time. And it all started with Jerome Powell not really talking about tapering enough. So I think that was it. People were scared of that, and they haven't, man. So Bitcoin's back inside the channel. It was never about the breakout itself. It was always about the follow-through price action, the asset received after the breakdown or breakout. What was the immediate follow-through price action? Well, it seems like it's not a breakdown. It was not real. It was a joke. And so you just made a much higher low than the previous discernible swing lows before, and you're running again, and this could be the test. The test that I thought might have been going on August 25th, this might be it, where we're going to test 50,365 at least once. And man, these altcoins, some of them look extremely poised for upside. You gotta wonder if the weekend's gonna be wild. We're gonna have a wild weekend in crypto. Conditions are perfect for it all. Yeah, early streams and night streams, those were definitely old school time. That was before my channel, I think. So anyway, great news. 50K could be on its way. There's Ethereum, your second favorite asset. Remember what we were talking about yesterday? There was no technical damage done at all.
Happy 3 years, Mitch.
There you go.
Congrats.
Aces, thanks for the 2781 super chat. Thank you, man. Thanks for being a part of it. Each and every one of you are part of this community. You comprise it. You make it what it is. So thank you for that. Cheers. Ethereum's up a little bit more than Bitcoin, 5.56%. And trying to break that heart line of this little structure here, right? The red dotted line. And you know what? It's above that. Multi-month highs, top of the channel, which is going to be around 3450. Can't be that surprised. It was almost a bullish cipher right here, just a mini one, an M shape. There were multiple M shape formations occurring across the across this market, as well as potential double bottoms, confirmation lows, and inflection points. Homogeneous market gonna be homogeneous, and they're just different assets that look more similar than others. But it does look pretty freaking good, man. Like, hey, a good amount of the trade setups posted right beginning of the month, they hit like 1 or 2 targets, and then they pulled back, and then it's like, this is the stuff we're looking for. Maybe where someone could add to that position because now there's a reason to, there's an edge, right? And then dip back in the water, and then we rally to the third targets and beyond.
Happy anniversary. Can we look at Penn?
What's up, Cyberg? Sure, we'll look at Penn. I think you said earlier, when back test. I don't know, dude. Have we not back tested yet? God, how would it not be? Hopefully it's back above that level. We'll look. So yeah, I remember the reiteration of the analysis here is anything above 3,000 and 2889 is hyper bullish. You are in the midst of creating a bamboozle candle. That's not a formal candle. That's just that's what I call an asset or candles that you get a bearish engulfing candle, and the immediate next day or next candle is it a bullish engulfing. So you're bullishly engulfing the bearish engulfing. That's a bamboozle. All right, we're bamboozling here. Oh, tweezer bottom stuff going on too. What's happening, man? This is really strong. When you're above an inflection point like that, and there's no question, there's no doubt that Nothing can, I mean, it's straight up, straight down. It's just so strong. This is like, this could be it. This could be the beginning of the next markup. They normally start with big engulfing candles. Remember that one time, July 21st, big engulfing candle? Look at this. August 4th, big engulfing candle. Here we are again. Big engulfing candle. Now, we had it here too, but you know, Bitcoin pulled back. Bitcoin's looking good, right? Back in the channel. We're safe again. What's up, Jamie man? Let's go. We get some, this is from him. He made that sound clip right there. That's him.
Golden Voice Jesus tipped $100. You are the absolute man. Thank you for teaching me to invest in myself, and only to compete against me from yesterday. Congratulations, my friend. Gangs.
Thank you, brother. I really appreciate it. And yeah, dude, it's been a long journey. And I'm really, really grateful you've been along with it.
Pal. I feel I speak for
it wouldn't be the
everyone
same
when I
without
say
you, dude.
Thank you for all you've done. Here's to many more. Love you, pal.
Jimbo, thanks for the 33 repeating, of course, my man. Thank you, dude. Many more indeed.
Birthday cake. Happy 3 years. Kudos to whoever made that into birthday cake.
That was Wayne Batson. He's also Graphic Jesus Man. He's insanely good. He's like savant level graphics. Some of y'all don't even know. Wayne
Happy
Batson.
anniversary, sir.
I can't wait for the screen to be in, but I can't wait for all-time highs. Well, once he gets done with his traveling and stuff, man, he's gonna be able to do more things, and we're gonna have some. The future is extremely bright. That's all I can tell you about where we've come, what we've done, the growth there's been, these new intros. That's just gonna continue. You're just gonna keep getting better quality because we're just competing against ourselves, right, Jeremy, man? Berg family, thanks for the $10 super chat. Sorry, dude. Prez, thank you for the $5 super chat. Kuda, yeah. So So Ethereum, man, this could be it. A bullish engulfing candle like that, above inflection points where there's no, and you've been consolidating since 20 days now. 20 days consolidation. That's about it. Bulkowski talks about flags don't last more than 3 weeks. Then they become something else. They become rectangles or whatever. So channels. So we're in that 2-week window period of consolidation above every level that you could ever dream of being above. So I have to just say again, $4,082 minimum target here. $4,082. And we got to talk about this. I mean, like, you haven't even been, it's so strong of an asset, it couldn't even retrace. So it's just like eventually this is gonna be a real argument. When that negative momentum begins to wane for real, which it could be the beginning today with the engulfing, you get any sort of fall through price action, that negative momentum will begin to wane more and more and more. You run to the top of the flag, it's gonna be really well developed. And you know what that means, chat? Impending price action, continuation to the upside. And that's what would take us to the 4,082 levels. All right, the weekly, forget about it. The weekly is absurd. The weekly is unreal, right? Hidden bullish divergence, playing out. RSI on Ethereum's at 62.48. You know what 60 is, right? That's bullish control zone. Ethereum is well within it now. Bitcoin's kind of, we get to 50K, we're probably going to be getting above 60 on the weekly. But it is undeniable right now that Ethereum is above that 60 level. I hope you understand what's going on here, and you just are not going to be able to be surprised if this thing marks up again, all right? That's, stage is set.
Hey Mitch, let's say Bitcoin runs up over 100K. Do you think it will ever go below 35K again in 2022 or 2023?
Dude, how can we know? Like, that's out of the realm of what traditional technical analysis can tell us. You're asking me to tell you what an asset's gonna do if what it's never done before does it, and then it's never done what it would do before that or after that. Well, that's so speculative. And so here's the thing, here's the answer. Oh, you asked me if I think. Again, I will defer and say I don't know, right? But could it happen? 100% could happen. If it goes to 100K, it could retrace to 35K. Sure, that's a 75, right? What is it? 65% retrace? Yeah, it's like, okay, sure. Anyway, yeah, great stuff, dude. These coins look primed or poised for more than before. Let's look at the third largest crypto that's up double-digit percentage points today. It continues to fly. Overbought on the weekly. Positive momentum's just begun to build. And you are re-engaging price discovery daily. Now you got to break this level, right? This is incredible. I saw this on Scott Carney's stream today. Check him out, Harmonic Trader. That's like his YouTube channel. He's also got a website and stuff. Check him out. Anyway, on his stream, I saw, oh my God, dude, Cardano's bullishly engulfing on the daily, like absurdly.
2.5 years, but I've got to say, great community. Thanks.
Danny, thanks for the 10, and thank you for being around for 2.5 years. It's a long time, man. Hopefully you've learned a lot, and it's translated and manifested into more money or more happiness or more balance or whatever it is that keeps you coming back every day, right? Hopefully it's translated in your life. Thank you, dude. What's up, Todd?
Happy 3 years, MRTA. Wishing you many more, sir. Much love.
Thanks, man. Many more indeed. Our audio levels, it seems maybe a little high.
Noise! CRV, please, DJTA.
Sure, Super Drag. Thanks to $20.04. Thank you, dude. So if this is true, you know, we're talking target for sure on Cardano. I mean, like what I'm saying for sure is, you understand what we just did, or what Cardano just did. What was once an all-time high became support. Here is the confirmation. A very large engulfing candle, impulse candle like that. That's it screaming like, yeah, I think we're about to re-engage price discovery. Of course, Bitcoin can ruin the party anytime, but this is the way it looks before this. That's the way it goes, man. We'll see. Nothing's certain. Blue sky breakout with a back test confirmation and a engulfing candle. So it's technically like a break, a hook, and a go on the daily, on the third largest crypto asset that exists right now, based on market cap. Dang. All right, let's go to Binance, the fourth largest. Up, not near as much, right? But we talked about yesterday, the bullish engulfing candle the day before was not invalidated. It's still valid. It's just consolidating, reacting at a 618. That happens, golden retrace, and eventually $600 is the target. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. The only if would be if Bitcoin gets wrecked, it's probably going to have a hard time getting to that target. We got a complex wave structure, and we're on the last part of the wave structure pictured on your screen, where the true pattern completion zone of this would be $637. Way more upside on Binance. This is not surprising if you pay attention to the stream or you know how to read these critical levels. All right, so very good. Healthy market. Awesome, dude. Let's take a look at, you friggin' know, chat. All right,
I like turtles.
We like turtles. Turtles breaking back into the channel. Extremely important. Sorry. Breaking that, wow, this is a big deal, man. It's like a local high from August 21st. I mean, really, it's like the 20th through the 22nd, and then the high from 25th. That, once that's broken, okay, see you back at multi-month highs, 2.14 trillion, and then 2.21, 2.3. We've been waiting on for too dang long, man. Too dang long. So this is exceptional. It was never about the breakdown itself of the demand line. It was always about the immediate fall through price action Sellers stalled out, buyers took back over. That's exactly what occurred. Audio is actually good. Wow. Okay. Take your word for it. Seems like insanely, absurdly too high on my side. I don't understand. Okay. So we had. Let's take a look. You know, we looked at the big four with total. Let's look at another insane. Asset. It's not an asset. It's the freaking S&P 500, the index fund, and it has hit its highest level of all time. First time in history, this asset has closed above $4,500. That's not true. 2 days ago, it closed at Yeah, it is the first time it closed above 4,500 today ever, right? It closed 2 days ago at 44.9620. So yes, history's been made really strong, man. Like, there's no resistance, kind of price discovery, churning along, really bullish conditions. All right. Let's just look at the weekly real quick because the week did close, so we can look at the history. Look at this engulfing candle. It's so powerful. Hidden bullish divergence trying to play out, isn't it? Just number go up. Stonks. There he is. All right. Dow Jones Industrial did not quite close at a record high on the weekly. Did not close on the daily at an all-time high, but a really nice bullish harami of some sort, maybe. No clue. You might need to back-test the old highs before running, but who knows? If it's just going to follow along with the S&P, then it might just go. But yeah, you're still above the range, the breakout. 35,000 is the cutoff point for the breakout, okay? NASDAQ Composite, same thing. Record close, beautiful, man. It's so good. Exceeding the 1,414 fib extension today from the previous high to low. And the 1,618 is that shorter term target, 15,215. And if you ever break that, my God, look out. I mean, 2,618, 15,800 and change. This is a whack market, but we talked about the wave structure on this, right? It's like a canary. That 2,618 would make perfect sense then, right? Where you make the X the A, but then B is higher than X, and then C the higher low, and then the last wave is ridiculous, theoretically, because it's not real. But with God, it just keeps occurring, and we keep seeing it, and it keeps happening, keeps playing out. So whatever. What a move. Russell 2000, extremely nice bullish engulfing candle, breaking us above the neckline of the confirmed double bottom now, right? It is confirmed. Market participants didn't know the first time. Second time, they did. Above the demand line, the target, 2361 probably, all right? Really strong here. Those are your four index funds. Now we look at golds. Gold, what an extremely powerful finish to the week. And almost, my God, gold almost made a rising three methods on the daily. And your first daily candle close above the 200 moving average for the first time since July 29th. This is what we're talking about. We're back on gold. Gold is back. You don't even have to look at the daily. The daily is unreal now, but it's the weekly that is the best. This is it, chat. The bullish hammer pattern. The bullish hammer pattern, legendary. Target 1900, 1955, 2076, then 2500 eventually, right? That's it. This is perfect. Gold is still bullish as F. And it had to happen, right? You had to get some sort of major shakeout. Composite Man wanted to acquire just a few more shares before it goes. I think the bottom's in for sure on gold. I mean, nothing's for sure, but really high probability that gold's bottom's in. Confirmation low just happened. Okay, gold, and then it goes over. It's back above what, 24? At 24, it did it. Bullish engulfing candle on the weekly. You know, if we look at this like a weekly range and you say screw the demand line, we just look at it like this. Let me show you. This could be interesting, right? All right, you can go candle close, you can go wick low. It's just, it seems like that might be the way, right? It's just range bound asset. No edge though, no edge on the weekly or anything. But that is, I mean, bullish engulfing candles like that can manifest into markups. I mean, we've seen them before. So just take note of silver's weekly bullish engulfing candle being confirmed just a few hours ago. Markets, this is closed now for the weekend. Okay, great. Who cares? No one cares. All right, so let's jump back to crypto notable gainers. You have Tezos that, well, how could you be surprised? This is what we think all the altcoins are eventually going to do. It's just whack-a-mole. It's just at different times, different assets are going to pump. Just remember the weekly hidden bullish divergence. Weekly hidden bullish divergence. At the 88% retrace, the pattern completion zone of the bullish shark pattern. Then you got a reaction low, a reversal low. This is putting on a seminar, a harmonic Jesus seminar. Tezos. We looked at different time scales, time scale hopping, right? Daily, beautiful. There was not really any divergence on that second low, but it was almost like Bitcoin where you had like almost inexistent negative momentum. It was almost like stagnation. And confirmation low at the pattern completion zone. I mean, that's just, and look at it now, hitting a high from February 11th, 2021. That's it right now. That's what it's testing, and it's not really, there's no candle close, but this is an insanely large bullish engulfing candle. And now you're at inflection point. And if you break that inflection point, I'm thinking you're going up to like 722 on Tezos. Beautiful, dude. FTM, another notable gainer. That hidden inflection point from history is plotted here, and it reversed, but that's okay. Just pull back minorly, and it's above the 200 moving average.
Happy 3rd anniversary, Mitch. I only found you January this year, but will be around for many to come. Even during the bear market.
We'll see.
Party face, cool
That's
face.
what a lot of people say, huh? Yeah. All right. We'll see. Put it to the test, Blade. Thank you, man, for the super chat, dude. Sorry, just like my head's like cut off. I don't know. Thanks, dude. So, you know, 54 or 55 cents pretty much what you got to break, and then right above it 64.8 cents, and then above that, that's when it starts getting really nice, 81 cents. So, you know, I'm just looking at the double-digit percentage gainers today. You got KSM. That's look at this, an inflection point from history from April. Trying to hold it, right? You bearishly engulfed yesterday, then you broke below it. Oh no! And then what was the immediate follow through price action, Chad? It wasn't about the breakdown. It was about today, the engulfing candle, the bamboozle, the bullish bamboozle candle. All right. So anything above 281 is all right, and it could see easily 345 again. And then if you break 345, boom, $484. Yep. Very, very nice. And then we look at Hex. It's up a lot. It's about, you know, hour 25 minutes. It's going to confirm its highest daily candle close of all time again, like it did yesterday. It's going streaking. 2 days streaking through the quad into the gymnasium, man. Get that 1414 fib extension, and still we're just waiting on 25 cents, and then just slightly above that's 25.8 cents, the 1618, and then once that's broken, then it's like 35-cent target on this exceptionally bullish asset, a specimen for the season, the cycle. This will be a notable asset when we look back on this cycle that once was in the future. We will say it was Hex. Hex was a king. We walked among giants, at least on the technicals. During that cycle, it was glorious. It was a sight to behold. It's not over though, so we're still partying, man. What happened, dude? Okay, so we're at right around $49,000 on Bitcoin.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Miss Ray. Happy birthday to you. Party popper, balloon, birthday cake.
Thank you. It's not my birthday, but it's my channel's birthday. This YouTube channel's birthday today. So thanks, dude. For the 33 repeating, of course, the attempt on my life with a chug, but you failed. Thank you, dude. I appreciate it. The effort. All right, so that's Hex, and then we have Keep. Keep is exception. Chat, you have to understand how this is it, okay? This is the signal, almost, for, hey, the breakout has been certainly confirmed now. Where you've broken out, you've back tested, and you bamboozled, and you're engulfing, and you're holding the resistance as support. This is it. This is where, well, eventually Keep could just see 64 cents plus in a short period of time based on the Binance chart. Okay, so it's all about if this can sustain. But what's happening right now is exactly what happens on assets before they go, oh my God, did you see Keep? It went insane, man. It's just doing that. So sure, Bitcoin's gonna need to continue to perform. It looks like, dude, the chart total, this is it, man. This is a huge deal. This is like, okay, that means that most likely we're whipsawing or something. Okay, we're going up to 2.3 trillion, the top of the channel again. Very real possibility if this sustains like this.
Olixi super chatted $33.33. Congrats, Mitch. Champagne bottle. For many more years. You truly help people. Keep it up. Storj, please.
Pulaski, thank you for the 3333 super chat. Much love. Variation to trigger a chug doesn't happen unless it's through stream elements. Super chat doesn't have it. I can't make that happen. So it's just the way the system is. So thank you. They're different. Okay, so have your alerts set up, but understand some serious, good, bullish stuff is happening, and it signals. This is a signal from the market about what could be coming next on Keep. What's up, Jeff Goldblum?
Happy 3-year anniversary, Mitch. First 200 sub year. I will smoke one for you.
Wow. You got evidence of that, dude? As you know, I think 1,000 plus people said that the first 200 subs, right? Just kidding. Thank you, man, for being an OG supporter of the stream. The OGists are the ones that support with me before this YouTube channel.
Nice community. Congratulations.
Thank you, Eric. Much appreciated. Thanks for the 20. Kim K, what's up? Hi, Michael.
Oops,
happy stream anniversary. Can we break down? Well, too, we got some confluent. What was that? Yellow Hammer, thanks for 33 beating a card. That was my bad. Another attempt to my live, and it failed. Thank you, dude. I appreciate the effort. Thank you, dude. People have been watching this stream since the Japanese started trading rice futures. Just kidding. All right, yes. Let's go to OMG real quick. That is, another top gainer today, holding that 200-day moving average. Very real here. You hold that. What does this one look like, chat? It looks like Tezos. Tezos is up here. OMG is just yet to really launch, but this one's been bullish, right? The back test and the confirmation low at 488, the double bottom. Come on, man. This one's been bullish. It's just rolling well, and it hadn't even hit a 38% retrace yet. It's just unreal. Some of these assets are even underperforming this one. That's the golden zone. That's normally where assets traditionally run to before they reverse. Okay, so very, very good. DOT. Here we are on DOT. No breakout, but dang, man. Just below the breakout point, the inflection point is an engulfing candle. Tweezer bottom engulfing candle.
$33.72. Of all the days for you to spin and chug. Spin. Man, spin. And happy birthday to the channel.
Sig Puppy, thank you, dude, for the 42 Canadian super chat. Now they did it, man.
Mad respect, dude. Happy anniversary.
Thank you, brother man, and thank you, dude, for being a member of it. And thanks for finding me, and thanks for sticking around, and thanks for being such a freaking awesome, I don't know, person. You know, met you down in Miami, and I'll meet you in Miami again at some point, dude. Right, or somewhere. Okay, thanks, dude.
Noise.
Happy birthday,
Yeah, Julia.
Number 3 for MRT.
I was off, right?
I've been
Like
watching
Samsonite.
since Ada was at 7 cents. Smile.
These confettis, each one of these, there are many thousands for Julia Guskuski. Thanks, Julia. Oh my God. The golden retrace, or the golden mean ratio. Jesus lady. All right. Sorry if I do too much confetti, you know, the Roomba gets clogged up, and it'll be all night. I'll be taking out the confetti, all right? And just, yeah. I got 2 Roombas now, so let's go. So DOT, once it breaches 26, well, it's really 2750 to be safe, the zone. The upside potential on this asset is vast. It is immense. It is 45% upside potential above the inflection point that is just below. So pay attention to this. Once it breaks, it could be real fast. Beautiful falling wedge breakout. Everything's been going real well on this one. Couldn't break that 200-day moving average. It's okay. Bitcoin keeps going. DOT's going to break 2750 and go to $40. And then we go to GRT, the one that every day getting texts from normies, you know, normie friends, they're catching on. They're like, what's this guy doing, man? Like, I can't, I want tendies too. And it's like, hey man, well, GRT looked okay. And they're like, they're buying GRT. And I'm like, all right, well, just remember it's crypto. This is not traditional assets. And every day there's a red day. It's like, well, is it going to be okay? Are we fine? Is GRT, is Ethereum, is crypto okay still? It's like, dude, relax. Heisenberg says, relax. Yeah, you're okay above 79.81 cents, and eventually 133 is the target. It's really between 137 and 195 is the golden zone. So definitely underperforming. These S coins later in the cycle oftentimes find ways to catch up really fast. So just pay attention. You've done everything right. If you're holding this asset around 80 cents or lower, just patience. One must trust the process and understand where we are, and it's all about the levels, and we're above the levels. That's it. One's just being patient now and sitting on the asset, owning it. One would. Not financial advice, by the way. I'm just telling you. Whew. Deep breaths. So I think maybe we get to some requests now. I don't know, dude. Let's look at one more. This is paying respect to Alex Cobb, man. This is it, dude. This is a major development on XRP, not on the daily. The daily is getting close to giving us what we want, which would be a bullish engulfing candle at an inflection point from May 24th.
That Moon
It's the
Boy
4
has a
hour.
record to break for the celebration, huh? Smiley face. JK, congrats, tutor.
He has a record to break for the celebration. I don't even think he knows it's the 3-year anniversary today, so it's all good, dude. All good. Nah, it's not really, it's not on the thumbnail, it's not on the title of the stream, so you wouldn't even know unless you're literally listening to the stream or reading the chat sometimes, right? So this is XRP, up almost 9% now, off. It's higher than it was earlier. Very good, and there's good reason. This is a confirmation low occurring at the inflection point. This is it. This is long, actionable trade setup stuff. Oh wait, it was a trade setup posted to patrons earlier today. If you're not a patron, you might want to wait a few days, but on the 1st of September, one could join the Patreon and get these trade setups with entries, stop losses, and take profits on the way up. There's over 1,000, almost 1,100 again, patrons. We've had over 1,000 patrons for going on 9 months now, chat. So very grateful. That is unreal. It's surreal. It's like, what? Over 1,000 patrons for going on 9 months. Okay, so target 150 eventually. 150, that's it. Like you're swinging for the fence. Look left. That's why. Screw these local highs. I don't care about these local highs. They're nothing burgers. We're swinging for the fence. We're swinging for, hey, this just had a really nice markup and it's just gone through a phase of consolidation and it's back testing with confirmation, inflection points, with divergence. 150, 165, something else. This is it, Larry. This is what you've been waiting for, my God. Or at least one. I mean, it's not like this wasn't identified and talked about to ad nauseum in July, the bullish Gartley double bottom. It's just another area where, hey, you missed it. Well, now you got another chance to get some more tendies on an asset that's the wave, the cycle, right? You have reversed. It's doing everything you could ever dream of. It's so perfect, man. It broke the supply line. It broke the inflection point. It's back testing it. It's so good. All right. Now we'll go to some requests. Thank you very much. Okay. I'm looking for the request, man. Hold on. First request was this. Oh my God, dude. Penn Gaming. Win back test. Dude, look how Jesus this is. This is unbelievable. I haven't revisited Penn. You know, I have not revisited it, but this is literally unbelievable, right? The shark, the 886, $5. Next target would be almost $100, $98 after that. So this is an extremely real development occurring on an asset that fell below critical level but got back above it. But there's no confirmation that it supports. So you're gonna have to pray for a pullback. It's a back test. It could happen, man, but sometimes it doesn't happen. So it's doing the right things though. It's reacting really well. Probably reversing. Reversal low. Really nice. So eventual targets, if the longer it stays above $76, is 129 and 141. Really bullish trend, okay? Really bullish trend. Was correcting from March to August, and now the reversal might be in. It might be time to go with the trend that you've been in long term. There's your pin. Beautiful. The next one was request, right? When Honda Civic, when Honda CRV, just kidding. Milk Football, what's up, dudes? Happy anniversary. Can't wait to put this on the wall in my office. Thank you, Milk Football. Canvas prints are definitely, if one can afford it, they're definitely worth getting instead of a poster. I think many people in here that have the canvas prints would attest to that. Chat, if you're out there. So CRV is extremely bullish. It's ridiculously bullish, chat, okay? You have just eyeballing a bullish cipher locally. It's close anyway. I mean, it's almost perfect. A little high on C, whatever. M-shaped formation, high or low, above the 200 moving average. Guess what? Bullish convergence on both oscillators. Above $2. That's it. This is it. CRV above 209. Probably 267. That's the target here. If one's long on CRV, eventually they'd be like, all right, I'm gonna hold it until it appreciates again another 23% in value. That's it. That's your CRV. Not much more to talk about. It's like everything else. Very good. We've got an hour and 9 minutes till the daily candle close. Very good. Okay, let's mark it.
Happy birthday, hi, you okay, Kitty Juliet D.
It's not Hayuoke's birthday, is it? There's no way Hayuoke and Julia's birthday are the same. Thanks for the 1.618 contribution, though. Haven't seen that in a while. Thank you. Neil, you just joined the Patreon 1 minute ago. It's the 27th. You will be billed again on the 1st. But dang, man, the way it is right now, you enter the Patreon right now, there are trade setups that literally got posted, multiple ones that got posted today. So it's like, it's not like you're not going to get the value. If those play out, then you're literally paying for the Patreon instantly within a day, you know, within when they hit their targets. So it's like, timing is interesting, huh? End of the month. Good stuff, Luke, man. So, yep, CRV 267 is the target right here, okay? Let's go to the daily. Is there hidden divergence or something? Nah, not yet. Working on an engulfing candle, but dude, anything above 209 is really, really good. Okay, really, really good. Next request was Storj. Storj, it's okay, it's fine. It's just, dang, man. It's, oh, dude, this is what happens. Like, oh my God, did anyone see this? I didn't notice it. This is how it closed yesterday. That is ridiculous. That's almost like the gold weekly hammer. Oh my God. I think it's buyers are extremely aggressive. That's what that represents. Buyers are being extremely aggressive. It's fine. It's above the inflection point. The breakout's already happened, and the next move is 186 eventually. Once Bitcoin doesn't crap itself, everything's good. Thing runs up 186. Everything's right in the world. There's no doubt. There's no like question. It's so simple, dude. One's long on Storj, and they're waiting till at least 186 to take a little off the table. That's it. Nothing's changed. This is a trade setup that's posted in the Patreon. Heck, this was a welfare one. This was handed out on stream live a few days ago. Okay, there's your Storj. You know, you requested it, and it's like, what else can I do? I'm sorry, it only took me like 20 seconds to talk about it. Just for you to understand what's happening here. Digging this set, man. This music's good today. Oh, dang, man. That's right, Storj party. 186 minimum, then 220, then, oh my God, probably 322. Hold on to your hats. We'll see here. What?
Noise. Congrats with the 3 years, Mitch. What a freaking roller coaster this has been. I followed your channel since Bitcoin was 8K. Damn, how time freaking flies.
Oh, thank you, Retta, for sticking around, being here, supporting the stream every day, pretty much, right, with the threes. I don't know what just happened, but someone just tipped me $128 worth of Bitcoin, and it's not showing up. Who were you? Who are you, dude? And why did it not show up on the stream? Elements. Doesn't make sense. What just happened, dude? Dang, man. I mean, that's weird. Well, I mean, maybe it'll show up later, but dang, dude. Thanks for the $128 worth of Bitcoin, dude. Whoever you are, much love, dude. Wow. So a lot of contributions, but not many requests today. That was it, I think. Yeah, that was like the last real request, dude. Yup. Najee, thank you, dude, for the 3s earlier. Nathan, thank you, dude. Yep. All right. Got to show you Nvidia all-time highs today, highest level of all mankind. And look where we are, chat. Look where we are. Oh my God, that fast. We're approaching, probably be Monday or Tuesday, you would see the 1.618 fib extension at 228. Let's see it be invalidated, violated, and then we just go to $300 like it was a joke. Right, you're there. I mean, you're at it. This has been plotted, man. It only took like a one trading week to get there. Beautiful. But Tesla, though, fresh long on this one. This is it, dude. Stage is set for Tesla. Once 717 breaks, 800, I think. 884, $1,000. Classic accumulation structure. This is it, dude. What's up, Eddie? I think I know what the S stands for. Serrano, maybe, man? Thanks, dude, for the 50. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Yeah, it is you, not some other Eddie.
Cheers to many more and the memories to be made. SEC Brotherhood is forever.
Dang right, dude. It is. Cheers. This
Hey,
sip's for you.
look at
Thanks for the 50, man. And it was wonderful meeting you down in Miami. You and Jake. Retta, yeah, we'll look at Polkadot. Wait. We looked at Dot already. Is Dot not Polkadot? God. All these S coins are like Pokemon, dude. Yep, break 717. This is it. Hidden bullish divergence in the daily. Hidden bullish divergence in the 4 hour. There's just not much else you could ask for on Tesla. It's like a softball almost. Okay. Oh, potential trade. Wow, totals climbing. It's near its highs of the day with Bitcoin just hanging out at 49K. There just must be altcoins that are appreciating in value. They're up so much already. It's like, I guess they're just all marginally increasing in value based on what total looks like right now. So it's not really Bitcoin.
If we close daily at these prices, we would have hidden bullish divergence on the daily for the first time since December and February on BTC.
It's crazy, man. That is freaking crazy. Let me, Polk.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei!
It's different. Polk is not Dot. It's Polkamarkets. Interesting-ish, maybe. I don't know, dude. It's like... It is. I love this asset above 36 cents. Yep. Well, I like it above 36 cents until it goes to 67 cents, and then I don't know. Right? I don't know after that. Right? These are your levels, and you hold this. This is a bullish rectangle going on. The upside potential where it is right now. Eventually, at least 48% more upside. Do you hear me on Polk? Yeah, one buys this and they just wait till 67 cents happens. That high, like daily candle high close from May 26th. That's it, dude. Yes, you've sprung and you're pretty much back testing the spring, this whole consolidation structure after kind of confirming a bottom. All right, so that's your target, 67 cents on this. No ifs, ands, or buts. That's it. There's nothing else you do. One would just be owning this and waiting till 67 cents. And never broke that. Then you're probably looking for like 84, 85 cents, which is substantially more percentage gains. And then after that, it could go berserk. Could end up going to $2. Yes. Straight down, straight up, straight down. Could be straight up again, man. Pay attention. Polk to the US dollar tether, which is Polkamarkets, like Pokemon. Blade likes turtles. Thank you, Blade, for the turtles, man. Okay, chat, it is. You're local on the 8s. On this 3-year YouTube stream, 3-year anniversary YouTube stream or something. Total is at its highest levels since the 24th, We're climbing, chat. Totals is at its highest level of this 4-hour candle. It is the highest level of the day, of the session, if you will. We are, yes, back inside the channel. This didn't fool us, chat. You knew it didn't fool us. Because we know when a trend's truly reversing. This isn't good enough. This isn't enough evidence that the trend has reversed and it's time to go bearish. It's just not. We needed the fall through. The fall through was a break up. Break upwards. Back in the structure. And a whipsaw like this. Okay, see it 2.35 trillion eventually. Maybe even a little out of it. Okay, you could break out of it. See it, man. It just happens. Like, it's whipsawing action. It's like overreaction. It's like, whoa, all right. It's like a rubber band. Yes, we looked at Storj. Of course. Forever wins past the tardy sauce. $49K, less than an hour till the daily candle close. We are in what we would consider power hour. Oh my god, dude. Vechain, you want to talk about Vechain, dude? Some high and tight action right there. Some flag. That's like a bull flag almost.
Noise!
Happy anniversary. Is Xylinix breaking out of handle, and if so, price
Xylinix,
target?
semiconductor. Is it breaking out of the handle, man? Well, look. Sadie, thank you for the 25. Sadie is a lady. Thank you. Bull pull bull flag that's stupidly discernible and visible on the daily. Look out, Vechain hitting these targets, and this is implying that Vechain's going up to probably like 23 cents to the next like overhead resistances on the daily, 20 cents. I love it, man. It's so good. It's so bullish. But you just like think about, okay, this is Vechain. What is it doing? It's a down sloping high and tight flag, right? Down sloping. Normal. Okay, that's awesome, dude. But then you got Ethereum, which is upsloping, chat. Hyper bull flag. Trademark pending. Hyper bull flag on Ethereum on the daily with hidden bullish divergence soon to be developing. It just doesn't get any better than this. This is so powerful. This is like screaming it's more powerful than Vechain. Bitcoin's over 49K, chat. The target's still 4,082, an 88% retrace. Wave structure, complex wave structure. You're on that last wave, man. Deep retraces. Total, as I keep speaking, it keeps going higher. $2.09 trillion, highs of the day, highest highs in like 3 or 4 days. Supposed to be going out after this to a really pretty nice restaurant with peoples, same peoples I went out with last night. So I don't know, dude. Maybe I got, you know, get wrecked, J-Mode.
Etc. has hidden bullish div on the daily.
Okay. Well, you're a patron, so you know what's going on with Ethereum Classic. So, yeah, ETC is really good looking. Like, really, it's actionable for a long. Yes. If you're a patron, you know that. Is there any other requests? Oh, Xylinix, yeah. Yeah, it would be Xylinix. Okay. Oh my god, dude. so amazing. Like,
Happy
wow.
Channel 3. Your thoughts on Mina Protocol?
I don't know. We'll look at it. Henry, why don't you ask Todd P? He knows all about Near. We knew all about Near. We were analyzing it. It was good. Couple handle. This is big deal. This is where you have made all-time highs today on Xylinix, and you've just confirmed a breakout for the first time ever. This is real. This is a candle close confirmation breakout on Xylinix. This is a big deal. This is huge. Well, another two, second attempt.
Is this thing rigged?
For a 33, it's like a 8% chance of a chug. So no, it's not bugged.
Fine, I'll do it myself. Spin.
Sure, dude. I mean, you have to say spin in the contribution. Like, spin has to be in it if you want it. All right, that's the rule today. So, my God, I think we would probably use the Fibonacci from the high we just broke out of. It's gorgeous, man. Nice double bottom, nice bullish harmonic. Look, in the end, I don't know. It's like it's not one I'm scanning normally because I got all that AMD. I got all that
Spin.
the Nvidia. There you go, dude. I mean, I get it. It could be either way. It's a shark or either anchor point. It's deep there, really. But either way, a shark, B is important. 88% retrace, higher high on C, didn't exceed the 1618. That was it, right? You marked down. This is Tesla, chat. This is Tesla. Except Tesla hasn't really taken off yet. You better pay attention, man. True Tesla, man. All right, so Xylinix. 166.83 is your target. Then after that, 172, then 181's the 1618. Beautiful, dude. This is so strong. What is wave structure? It's very similar to Nvidia with the higher high. Well, Nvidia was a lower high on B. This one's like canary behavior. Spin, he says. I'm glad you're the only one, dude. Give me a spin. Jar's full in an hour. That's not bad. Spin again, connect. You're lucky. You're real lucky right there, dude. Did someone request well? Did I see well? I don't think so, dude. Or was it did you request it in the merchandise? That's how it sometimes gets away from me. Yeah, okay. I got you, Kim. I got you, Kim. We'll look at BNT as well. Thank you. Sorry. When it's that way, it's different. Okay, so well tower. Oh my God, dude. It's no value, but dang, if it isn't doing some insane stuff. Shoot, man. Look at well. Wow, man. What a chart. It's beautiful. Look at that. It was so gorgeous. So, yeah, I mean, you know the range, the zone of inflection. This goes all the way back to 2013, multi-year large range. Are you kidding me? And you closed above that 2013. I'm sorry, that 2015 high today, the top of the zone. So yeah, I mean, you gotta understand like where you are. You're at like an 88. You're at 90% retrace from your high to the COVID crash low, right? High to low. So these aren't value areas by any means. This is like profit taking levels. It just gained 88% of its value back. This is where you react because of a bearish,
really appreciate your work, my
bat
friend.
pattern or something.
Can you take a look at Mina on the short, medium, and long term, please? Mina/Tether. I think the most amount of day to is
Mina?
on the X exchange. Thank you for all you do. Peace.
I remember when there was only Lena. Now there's Mina. I used to do business with someone named Mina Patel. She was awesome. She had a British accent too. It was really cool. Anyway, so 84.87, that's like the major range breakout. You've broken out before though, and you weren't able to sustain prices out of it. So If you're above 84.87, technically you're good. If you're above $80, you're probably technically good. You know, so I mean, if it ever broke all-time highs, then you got targets 112, 121, 135. I don't think you need any more than that. That's good enough. All right. So what a massive uptrend it's been in, but I wouldn't say there's. I mean, like I guess one could, if they wanted, try to break out by this, but you know how it is, right? It's not. It's better to get assets, you know, when they're at. I mean, this could be a swing low. There is, I mean, undeniably, on the daily, hidden bullish divergence. It's gorgeous. It really is nice, man. Impending price action continuations implied. It's mature. It's almost about. It hasn't seen positive momentum on the daily since July 16th. It's probably next week going to show it, no matter what happens. All right. So this probably going to 93.32 to test all-time highs if this is real. Okay. There you go. Thanks, Kim. Okay. Old BNT, been here before. It's almost like a rerun of all the other altcoins, right? Where it lost 78% of its value and then confirmed that bottom at an inflection point back from August of last year, 1 year ago, over a year now. And so now it's at another level of inflection where it's tested it at least once. The candle low close on the daily from February 28th tested once, no higher. So once it breaks 525, that's when you know you're going to 656. You break 656, you're going to $8, then 917 after that. So I don't really see anything. It's not above any resistance and back testing as support. There are many assets out there that are better than Bancor. Yes, better assets than Bancor to trade strategically. Who knows? Maybe this thing wake up, it's up 100% tomorrow. Well, congratulations on your gamble that you used no strategy to take along. Well, we're trying to strategize using traditional technical analysis from history, right? From people that put their life's work into this over the past 100 years. There's nothing we can really do here. I mean, all we can do is talk about the levels. You know, there's no pullback, there's no anything really on the daily. So I'm sure it'll just keep rising with crypto. If Bitcoin bumps, total bumps, BNT is going to catch some residual price action that's positive. Okay. There you go. There's your BNT. Mina, I don't know, dude. I've probably never seen this in my life. I'd be extremely surprised if I did. Yeah, there you go, dude. OKX, okay.
Can we look at LVVV main?
Conrad, yes. Thank you, main. So your zone of inflection is certainly $3, $3.15. What are you? You're below it. All right. Oh, rounding action? Sure. Anything, if you get above 315, I mean, that's where you, easy target, easy clap. Easy clap on where you'd be headed if you could sustain prices above 315 for long enough. 486, right? So if you get back above this level that you tried to break, but you couldn't, if you get above it, then the upside potential is 53%. This asset could run straight up to that level and you wouldn't even believe it, but you should be able to believe it because you understand levels, how it all works. Straight down, straight up, straight down. What does all that mean? It's like market participants that know what they're doing, that have a crap load of money, that can move these assets. There's only like certain things they can do to strategize where they're going to be setting limit sells, right? They would be like market participant above 315. There's nothing there. So all they can do is look left and say, that's probably the most strategic area for me to take profit. So the asset would run straight up to that level, right? There'd be little to no supply in between there. So that's it, dude. All right, you're below, you got to get back above 315 and then I'll feel a lot more comfortable about this asset. And if it gets back above 315 at this level, it's probably going to start losing negative momentum and then it would probably go to 486 eventually. That's Mina. Hero. Ta. Thank you, dude. Or Gato or something, maybe. Maybe not. Session highs on total market cap. 209 or $2.091 trillion. We are in power hour right now. Hey, you know what? Wayne Batson, if you're watching, or Chalin, we need to make a power hour video graphic, right? Power hour, because like I'm live like near the close, and you know we get some insane pumps and dumps during power hour. So yeah, dude, why not? All right, next request was Livewire, OTC. Oh, it seems like it tried to break out. But this was, hey, guess what, chat? What does this look like? What did this look like? Does somebody tell me what this asset looked like? It lost 100% of its value, though, not 80%. What the heck? Hold on. Yeah, it lost like 96+% of its value. But what does that look like? No. Not what structure is this? What does this asset that has nothing to do with another asset class, what did it look like recently? What have we been looking at? What did Tezos look like? I think hopefully you can answer the question. You get what I'm saying. Okay, anyway, so you don't get it, right? You don't know, really? Okay, I'll look at the beginning of the stream.
Noise!
Appreciate the BNT analysis. Another request PLS, $Q, Somnium space.
Thanks, dude. Sure. Gonna go see my my friend DJ Cube tonight. Whoops. Wow. Unreal. Like, wow, what a god stock. Legit god stock, dude. Cube Smart. All-time highs since the COVID crash. From the bottom, the nadir, to now. Asset has appreciated 171% in 526 days. That's really good for stocks. You get really spoiled in crypto, all right? It was a pretty simple range, wasn't it? And that range really broke. There's nothing to do here, man. Like, what am I guess I could go log scale. It doesn't really change much. It's a hyper, wow. You go back to, this is the global financial crisis. What a recovery. And it's almost like COVID was nothing, you know, in log scale compared to the global financial crisis. So, yeah, man. So we could maybe in log scale go from the COVID crash or the pre-COVID high to the crash low.
Lobster,
in
my tree.
In log scale, this asset's hitting the 1618 fib extension right now. Interesting, right? Really interesting. That's the golden mean ratio. That is where reactions can occur. I would believe it if it was to happen, but you know, who knows? This thing just could keep going insanely. $52. In non-log scale, in linear scale, there's nothing here. It's far exceeded the 1618, and the 2618 fib extension is at $63. That could be a target, right? Okay, so whatever, there's your cube. It's just no action to take. It's just an ooh and ah request. Thanks, dude. Jeff Goldblum wants to spin. Whatever, dude, sure, I guess, since you requested it. Whoa. Drist in the chat, what's up, dudes? Thanks for coming back by. Didn't know if we'd ever see you again, man. Much love. I'm sure your life has changed in many ways, just like all of ours. Have I covered near yet? No, I haven't. Did someone actually request that or something?
Wag one Mr. Raymond. Big ups to you, Mon. Respect. Keep it highery. Bless up.
Thank you, dude. Thank you.
Is that a joint?
So this asset's doing something pretty interesting. The candle high close from February 12th, you're back testing and ask support. That's pretty good. If you can hold that, the target's 741-ish. I would think, like the zone of inflection, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down. Like that's historical price action. So you're trying to do something important. If it holds 741.
Mitch, do you still love cream?
Not really, dude. Not really. It's been performing like dog crap lately. It's just not catching the bids. I mean, I still think it could eventually break higher if crypto continues upward, but dang, man, there's things running circles around cream. You got to pay attention to that. You got to look at that and say, hey, man, you know, good thing I wasn't literally all in on cream or literally any other asset. Position sizing is very important. This thing's up 8.5% today, near, all right? And it's above 42. Anything above 42 is great. It's legged up. You're going to tell me that it's pivoting before it even gets to the next leg? Dang, man. That's it. Above an inflection point. If you fall below the inflection point, you got the demand line at 425. You got another inflection point to 364. That's probably where these levels would be headed if it can't hold 482. But it is. It's trying to confirm the bottom, too. What's up, Loud News Net? Thanks for the 20 super chat, man. Thank you. Very good. All right, so that was near. I don't even know. Was it a request or something? Want to go to Red Lobster Shooter, Jeff? Funny dude. What's up, E-Turn, dude?
Bruh.
Let's go.
Happy anniversary, MRTA. Been watching since 1997, Kappa. Also, happy birthday, Golden Mean Ratio, Jesus Lady.
Thanks, E-Turn. Julia, well, I'm sure she's saying thank you too. Thanks, man, for the attempt on my life, but you failed miserably, and that's okay, man. Oh yeah, spot, sure, Loud News. Looks like crap. Well, I mean, it reversed somewhere that doesn't make sense, really. I mean, if you're talking about harmonics, it actually reversed at 113% retrace, right? Which is nothing. It's not a harmonic, right? If it would, a shark, right? Higher high on C, it was a lower high on C. So it reacted at the, what is it? The 1/4 of the reciprocal of the golden mean ratio, the 1.618. That's what the 113 is. It did reverse there. And it's above 220, and that was the level. That's the critical level. Staying above 220 long enough, there could be a tremendous amount of upside. Right, we're talking 293. If this can hold and sustain, I'm just surprised. Can you believe that this asset got within like a couple dollars from the old all-time high, never back tested it before bouncing? It's a macro thing, right? High beta, the macro started going nuts a little bit. So you're above 220. That's really good. Maybe you could back test it and hold it as support. Maybe some sort of inverse head and shoulders could be presented right here in the near future. But you know, no, I'm not sure if it's really actionable yet. You need confirmation lows, right? You don't reaction low, it reversed here, and who cares? Like whatever, it happens sometimes, man. It's gonna happen. You react. Market participants don't know till we get those second tests, right? What if it comes down and does this? Then that's when it might be actionable, right? Or if it stays above 220 and just back test that and holds. Okay. There could be upside that is tremendous above 220 long enough, all right, based on the historical price action in between 220 and 293. Jose Ortega, what's up, dude? Good to see you, man.
Mitch the Cream Composite
Cheers.
Operator has you in his spell. Don't fall for it. You taught me that. Don't let me fight this fight by myself.
Get wrecked, egg. Get wrecked. You're going to get whipped into cream. Devastated. Thanks, man. All right, 35 minutes till your daily candle close. Hey, if you're enjoying the live stream, hit that like button, the bell, that sub. And if you're a patron and you're enjoying the Patreon, like for real, think long and hard about why would you just not go annual, you know? You probably would. It only takes like 1 or 2 trade setups, and it's like all bought and paid for, right? So we were talking about that with Brad. It's just like, you know, it makes it to where you don't have to worry about like the end of the month and the billing starting on the 1st and all that. It's just something to do, and it's like that's like the single-handedly the best way to show support for this community and everyone in it, right, is when you join annually. You take the black. Okay. Ethereum 3266, upsloping flag, really crazy, man. Crazy bullish, hyper bullish stuff, man. Anything about 2889, $3,000 is moon soon stuff, moon in time stuff. Not like Storj really, but kind of similar. Yeah, and if you join annually, you literally only paying for 11 months, right? So it's like someone tipped and said they've been a patron for a year now, and they weren't a patron for annual. They weren't annual patrons. That means like they could have saved themselves $150 or whatever. Yeah, new place, Adam. It's not a house though. It's actually literally a penthouse. So let's go, dude. No, same state. Of course. Well, whatever it is, dude, it's... Wow, really? Of course there's a S coin called Cube. Really? Yeah, I looked at one. This is like I'm like almost never gonna do this again. I'm just like waste my time. Like, you have to, if you're gonna request something, please try and articulate that it is an S coin, because there are many assets that exist. If you want your asset to be analyzed and not to be confused with a stock that's been around far longer, make sure you say it's an S coin. Thank you. So, I don't know, if it breaks 270, yeah, it'll probably go insane. It hasn't, though. It has not done that. It's about the ifs. If it breaks it, where's the overhead resistance? I don't even know, man. Overhead resistance on the daily is 478. That's it. This is a pretty strong asset. I mean, it looks pretty good. Like, Wyckoff accumulations occurring, maybe. Hidden bullish divergence was certainly there on the daily. Look at this. Penny price action continuation implied. And then 270 breaks, boom, 478. I mean, the upside could be ridiculous.
Takafu tip $25.
Like 77%
Congratulations
upside.
on your continued success, my man. Clinking beer mugs. Can we potentially wet your whistle with a spin? Can you look at AMPUSD, please? Happy Friday. Smiley face.
Thanks, man. Yeah, dude. Sure, we'll look at it. Thanks, man. I have an alert set up. Break 270, boom, it's gone. It's up a lot in a short period of time. Dude, there are so many assets. Screw this one, dude. It's so dumb. Imagine trading AMP when you could trade Ethereum Classic or Vechain. Why
If this
AMP?
doesn't hit chug, can we get a spin? Happy birthday, Julia.
If it doesn't, yeah, you knew it wasn't gonna hit chug. That's why you said it. You had no confidence at all, and it knew that, right? The variation knew it, dude. Get wrecked. Thank you, man. So whatever, there's like a level of inflection that's certainly undeniably been regarded as resistance, and you're below it. It's like, sure, it could go anytime. It's like, who cares, man? Like, move on. Like, who cares about AMP? There are thousands of assets to trade, and they're already like identified, presented, you are pinged, you look at it. Who cares about AMP? No one cares about AMP. I don't care if it goes up. It's not presenting an argument stronger than other assets at this current time. Screw AMP. That's it. Technically, screw AMP. Fundamentally, I don't care. It's some other S coin that does things. Great, dude. $29 minutes. God, man. 29 minutes to your daily candle close. So close to bullish engulfing candle on Bitcoin. F1 stat. Let's go, dude. The 1618. Let's.
F1 stat tipped $161.80. Happy anniversary, Mitch. Thank you for your detailed analysis of the markets.
F1 stat, thanks for the largest contribution, single largest contribution of the day. My man. Golden ratio contribution. For real. Cheers. So yeah, dude, I mean, like, you are technically right now, there's 28 minutes, so it's so close it may not happen. But you are, say the daily candle close right now and I was playing Jesus Chimes. Maybe it was just like, right? If that happened, you would be technically bullishly engulfing the bearish engulfing candle, which we would call that the bullish bamboozle candle, right? It's beautiful. Hold on a sec. Okay, that's Bitcoin. That's great, dude. That's insanely good. Tweezer bottom. You hear me? We're in a bullish trend right now, and you have a bullish reversal, very strong bullish reversal pattern. It's a combination. It's not just the bullish engulfing, it's the tweezer bottom engulfing candle. Strong as F above the 200-day moving average. And yes, someone was talking about, like, it could end up being local hidden bullish divergence on the daily. And what was it, Egg or someone that said, like, you hadn't seen that hidden bullish divergence for real since when? On the daily since March and April, maybe, right here. Yeah, it's happening, dude. This is like extremely strong. This is like all the things you dreamed of are starting right now, or they're continuing. They're like, the charts are implying your dreams are about to continue. You know, you just had the dream from 30K to 50K. Well, the dream's about to continue based on what is being told to us by the charts with us reading them, okay? DJ Tweezer bottom, let's go. Yeah, dude. Started communicating with people. We're going out to dinner. Since February? Since February, okay. Yep. Thank you, Egg. There it is. Oh, Hex is, yeah. It is. I mean, we were here earlier. We looked at this.
Congrats on 3 years, you are the man, Mitch. Mind taking a look at new. Total scone but showing potential.
In you, yeah, that's the one that was the descending broadening wedge that was butting up against overhead resistance, right? If my memory does not betray me. Oh, it certainly didn't betray me. I love my mind. It's still butting up against that overhead resistance. The targets are intact. 54 to 76.9 cents is the golden zone. That's probably where it's headed. If we're talking about not Fibonacci, the next target above 32.6 cents is 45.7 cents. The candle high closed back from June 4th. Okay, that's it. It hasn't even made a 23% retrace yet, man.
Happy birthday.
Very, yeah, there could be a lot of upside.
Been here from over 2. I go keep it up.
Nawab, man, thanks for the 4171 super chat. And you've been here 2.5 years, and I'm very grateful. And I'm assuming since you're tipping me $41 and you've been here 2.5 years, I've been a positive effect in your life. I've helped you, maybe possibly. It may not be financial. Some people, am I not helping you financially? Maybe spiritually or some other way. Probably financially, I'm helping. Maybe. Okay, or at least reading the charts. I'm just doing. This is my hobby. This is something that it started as my hobby. Now it's like full-time thing, but like this was just what I would do after work, scanning charts. I got people to talk to about it now. And what's up, Najee, man? Michael Ray Harris. Didn't know that's my dad's name. Mike. Well, he's Mike Ray. You love my mind. Thank you, Najee, for loving my mind. I am what some would call a mental stripper, right? You're throwing dollars at me to strip my mind.
Happy streamiversary, always great. Fancy food time.
That's right. I will be using my pinky finger this evening when I indulge in the finer things in downtown Birmingham.
College parlays and Patreon this season or not?
Is that a joint?
They'd probably be teasers. Not really parlays, but yeah, I'll probably do some here and there. COVID was terrible last year. COVID screwed so many things up. Some had some success, but it was nothing like 2019 was the best year I ever had betting college football. Holy crap. What kind of P&L is that? But should be back to normal, so things shouldn't be as weird. So yeah, I think waiting on those, like the week 1 lines are out, but waiting on the, when I can do teasers, that's normally like what, a week before, maybe 2 weeks in week 1. So still waiting on that. They're not out yet. I mean, shoot, man, they should be. It's only a week away. I'm gonna have to check, okay? Yeah, Bitcoin's pushing $49,140. Near its session highs, and an engulfing candle is becoming more and more insured if this sustains. This candle is completely covering the previous candle that covered the previous candle, the bamboozle. Power hour starts when it wants. Sometimes it doesn't start to the last 10 minutes of it, okay, but trying to stick around, right? 21 minutes might have to just be a run out the clock situation, chat, where I try to stick around. Yeah. Ethereum still doing well, 32.69, 32.70. What's up, E-turn?
Colon knife.
No, you mean fail, fail, colon. Sorry, dude.
$FDM.
Sorry. Talking to a really cool person. Less than 20 minutes, chat. Now 19 minutes. Dude, hey, if you're down there on the coast in the Gulf, better be careful. I know you probably already evacuated, but this thing, Ida, could get nuts. This could get real bad. Hold on, let's pull it up real quick.
Noise!
Hold on a sec. What's up, T-Bone Lucchese? Thank you for the 20, dude.
Noise!
FR Muse on KuCoin, please. Thanks.
FRM. Hold on a sec. I gotta get out the satellite imagery, not the that radar. Hold on. Here we go. There we go. So this is it right here. So we got Ida leaving Cuba, and its trajectory is pretty much straight for New Orleans, and then it will then curve northeast, right, and hit me and everyone else down here. But man, there's like what, hurricane warnings already down there, and it's supposed to be at least a category 3, but it could end up being a category 4. No, these are variables. You just don't know, because the Gulf of Mexico has like the highest temperatures in the whole basin. So it's like that in high temperatures, that's the driver for the strength of a hurricane. So I really pray that we don't see like another Katrina or Ivan or whatever. Jesus, dude. Be careful. They said to be a Cat 4. Yeah, dude. Well, it's like, it's funny. Well, not funny. It's like interesting. There's someone that in our party that we're going out to eat with. She is down there. She lives down there in New Orleans, and like, she's just like, oh well. Now she's just staying up here until the thing passes. So, what's up, Victor man? Thank you, dude. Rad, RAD, let's go.
What is the next target for SPRT?
SPRT up 100-something% today or something, right? Or this week. Oh my God, what's the target? What do you mean, what's the target? I don't know. Like, it probably hit a target. Did it hit this $50 area? God, that was probably it, right? That's where everyone took profit. Everyone took profit at that high from 2004, and now it's already coming back down to $21, $22. It's after hours up 17%. This is ludicrous. This is a, like, if you're trying to like take action on this, it's like being a storm chaser going out to Oklahoma. There's an F5 tornado, and you have no idea what direction the wind's going or where you are, and you're just trying to chase the tornado. Like, good luck, dude. You're probably gonna get killed. You might get lucky and not die, right? That's you making profit somehow. But how are you going to know how to sell? Like, there's no plan. You can't strategize something like this. So, okay. Congrats, T. But hey, that's awesome, man. But like $50. Hopefully you were, what you've learned here about inflection points. Maybe that was it. Yeah, it would have sucked. It rallied up to $60, but then look at it now at $26. So. Okay, good luck on your F5 tornado SRPT. The F5 tornado is because of the volatility. All right. Power quarter. Yeah, we got the less than 15 minutes. Still over 49K. Still working on a bullish engulfing candle on the daily. That's where we're standing
Hey,
right now.
great stream. Could you check out Zap used? Complete test coin but at very low levels. Recently tested a wick low from October 2020 and bounced. Worth monitoring? Thanks.
Thanks, Stu. We'll look at it. So yeah, this is insane. This is a big deal right here. All right, FRM to USDT. I don't know, some S coin, right? I've never looked at before. If it breaks 30 cents, that's it. That's it, dude. I'm just looking at candle high closes, potential inflection points. I think if it breaks 30 cents, overhead resistance wise, major overhead resistance wise, there's nothing till like 64 cents. This thing could over double in value if it breaks 30 cents. Yep. It wouldn't be weird. It would be kind of normal. There you go, dude. Inverse head and shoulders, kind of. It's momentum shifting structure. You don't have to call it an inverse head and shoulders. Just Momo shifting. And it's working on a bullish engulfing candle just below the inflection point. When this breaks, chat, it could be a very fast ride up to much higher levels on FRM. Okay? That's all I can tell you about this asset. I don't know if it's going to break 30 cents, but the way this macro looks, it very well could, and I would not be surprised if FRM goes berserk at some point. You can't be. Even with it not being broken out yet. ADA doing his thing. It's up 16% right now. Yep, it's a bullish engulfing candle. It's a break hook and go, technically, right? It broke out, it back tested, and now it's engulfing. And it will be, in 11 minutes, if all stays the same, will be the highest daily candle close of all time. And it would be surpassing the candle high close from August 23rd. This market, man. Could you imagine, chat? You're in here. Could you imagine being a no coiner? Look, dude, it's like before. It's like before. Out these windows. Out your windows too. Almost every person you would see is a no coiner. They don't own this asset class. They're getting left behind. You're winning. I see, like, well, there's a rooftop bar right there. They're all up there. I bet you none of them own crypto. But they're out there, they're drinking, having a good time, man. I should be out. I'm going to be doing the same thing soon. But, like, they're getting left behind. Oh, man. The no coiner cam. Yeah, I know. Get it set up. I did have it kind of like that before, but it's kind of annoying because, like, the lighting, when it's the afternoon, it gets really bright in here. So,
got time to revisit swap USDT? Hidden bullish deal in 4 hours might take it over critical ice line. Could go nuts.
I don't know, dude. Been here before, but it's the same picture, dude. So look, is on the daily swap. The candle high close goes right here to right back from August 19th of last year. It's below it. If it gets back above it, yes, there could be a big markup all the way to 230. You'll probably test the same levels you tested before, but that's a level. That's 230. It's non-overhead resistance, but dang it, overhead resistance is 460. So you at least gotta, like, okay, there's a low there, the B point. That'll probably be tested in time. So yeah, deep retrace, XABCD. It's almost too perfect of a top to be a harmonic, but you get the idea. The value perceived areas, low to high, across this market. Where is it reversing? The 88% retrace. 88% sale on swap. Our participants like it, so they bought it, but it's underperforming a lot of other assets. So keep that in mind. There are so many things to trade, way better looking than this one. Just saying. That's right, dude. Someone screenshot that. Appreciate it.
$1,000 in savings.
Yes, 1/3 of burgers. Don't be a burger, dude, because a burger is a no coiner that's poor, right? There's just so many ways to make money, right? I mean, you can do it. You can apply yourself and learn this trade, the trade of trading, and it might start with XRP or NEO, or it might be Ethereum Classic, because these are golden opportunities. They're not golden. Well, they might be golden again because gold's starting to look good technically again, right? We're back on track there. It's looking Bitcoin, looking great, man. Inflection point, one bottom, a second bottom, a confirmation low. Market participants are confirming that the bottom is in on an asset that's in an uptrend. Confirming, chat. 150, 165, and possibly beyond on XRP. You won't believe it until it happens, and then you'll say, should I buy now? Don't say it. Wow. What's up? Yeah, dude. Total looking great, man. Obligatory.
I like turtle.
Well, you know, just a few days ago, we had people saying,
And then, just like that,
Bitcoin going to zero.
When it comes out, zero.
Bueller. Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei.
sorry, dude. So yeah, there are opportunities, man. And if you're patron, it's like hand delivered to you, right? Look at Neo. Oh my god, dude. Massive uptrend, confirming the bottom, and this one's a little slightly higher low. So a slight accumulation on this asset. It's no emotions, but dang, man. If you're reading the charts right, you know what these assets are poised to do. Big markup, $77 maybe. On Neo, once the absorption of remaining supply at $58 is complete. Really strong wave structure too. The higher high on B, you just pivoted, made C. That means definitely like 2618s, 77s on Neo. Jeez. All right, we got 5 minutes. So it's a run of the clock situation. I'm just here so we can witness the daily bullish and golden candle on Bitcoin. And then I got some plans, dinner plans with peoples.
Imagine thinking BTC is just tulip mania.
Is that a joint?
Yeah, you'd have to be smoking some joints on that because, yeah, Tulip Mania had one major, right, through one cycle and it was over. Bitcoin's had multiple cycles like that. Yeah, it is crazy. Yeah, a tulip, something that you buy, it wilts away and dies. Yeah, Bitcoin's decentralized, it's secure, right? And store value, you know, could be perceived as a store of value. The trust is there. Why is it almost $1 trillion again? You missed the Chernobyl soundbite? Mike, if you tip $3.60, it happens. I never had a sound clip or a soundbite of the Chernobyl guy. It was always a variation for tipping 3.6 Rolkins Not great, not terrible, comrade. The core didn't explode. You're mistaken, chat. FTM, no, they did FRM. Someone requested FRM and we looked at it. FRM. Oh, someone did FTM. God, do you understand this? Like every S coin in the alphabet's being requested every day now. FTM, Fantom. I think we looked at earlier today anyway. It's kind of stuck in the zone between 37 cents and 55 cents. It's kind of harder to be, hey, it's time to take action because it's confirming a bottom. It could be the high or low and it's rallying like everything else. Still maybe some hidden bullish divergence there, yeah. And it's probably going to do what all the other assets do. But one thing you got to worry about is like you got to go up to 55 cents and break it. Or we got a lot of other assets that have already broken their respective resistances and they're back testing them as support. Not once but twice. This one is below that major resistance, right? So there are better looking assets to trade at this current time than FTM. It doesn't mean FTM's going to zero or it's not gonna do really well if Bitcoin keeps going. I'm just saying we're using the system, right? The Heisenberg formula, the cake baking, come on, the variables that all line up together, coinciding variables. We're looking for the strongest argument on assets we want to trade. And this one doesn't have, like, it has an argument somewhat, right? But I just told you there are other ones that have better arguments. All right, chat. Local only 8s. Oh no, the graphic didn't show up. Crap, sorry. Dealer, there's my mulligan, man. All right. Okay, so let's go back to Bitcoin because that was like the last request, right? And I got some things going on, so it's been a wonderful 3-year anniversary stream. I really appreciate the likes, love, support, contributions, everything in between. And thank you, Bitcoin and crypto, for having favorable price action on this fateful day. We got this, chat. Give the beard back. Oh no, yeah, I'm not doing the beard. I'm not in the beard. Like the beard was the building of the business and the everything, right? And me being beardless is like, okay, like we got it going, man. We're rolling. Momentum, inertia is with us. Beards are for bear markets too. We hadn't been in a bear market. Yeah, that's right. 17 seconds, chat. Now let's go to the daily because that's what's closing. Well, the 4 hours too. The 4 hours is going to confirm that break back into the channel. Wonderful. But then, man, we got to zoom in so you can see it. Here it is. 3, 2.
Not great, not terrible.
Comrade, thank you for your tea. Have a great evening.
Chat, it has been confirmed. Bitcoin, tweezer, bottom, bullish, engulfing, bamboozle candle. Beautiful. If this is real, 50,365 is gonna be back, gonna be tested again, and very well, if conditions stay, if they're continuing the way they have been since July 21st, it's gonna break 50,365 and go to much higher levels. It's a daily candle, so this is an all-day thing, man. You know, go out, enjoy yourself, enjoy your weekend, recharge the batteries. But if this is real, tweezer bottom engulfing candle, 50,365 short term, and then you know what happens when you break that on the daily? There is no overhead resistance until $57,500. Straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down. That's literally the only thing that Bitcoin's pretty much ever done between $50,365 and $57,500. Please understand how important this is to get in. Thanks for the 20, or what was it? The 3333 repeating, of course. Dang, dude. Thanks, man. Kalishnikov, thanks for the 3.6 Royalkin. And Mike, thank you for the 363 super chat. We good? All right. I think we are, man. All right. Wow, what a stream. Very grateful. Y'all are the best community out there. I was talking to someone about y'all. And I mean, I just, in my opinion, I think this is one of the highest quality, highest IQ communities that exist on the entire internet. Like, there's just collective mind of really smart people in here, and a lot of really, really successful people in a bunch of different fields. A bunch of effing winners make this community. Like, that's empirical evidence. It's real. People are doctors. People have their PhDs in this community. So hats off to y'all for being pretty much the best out there. So I do love y'all. I'll be back. Really good things have just happened, okay? That's why I stuck around. Until next time, respect the T. Hey.
robot. I like robots. I have a robot vagina.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei!
XRP going to the moon. Yeah.
And then, just like that,
Adios, turd nuggets.